Welcome to the MTSU Housing Self-Assignment tutorial. Self-assignment is the system that MTSU uses for residents to select a room and roommate in on-campus housing. Once a student has submitted their signed application for housing, prepayment, and other supporting documentation, the application is marked with an application complete date. This date determines when this system will become available to you to select your space. Self-assignment dates are awarded on a first-come, first-served basis with priority given to current residents. If you know your application complete date, the dates for self-assignment are available on the Dates page at www.mtsu.edu/housing. Or just be sure that you're checking your MTSU email regularly, and we will send you directions on when and how to access the system. A few days before self-assignment is set to open for you, you will receive an email to your MTSU email address. This email contains important information on the date and time that self-assignment opens, where living learning communities are designated, and useful tips in case you have challenges with accessing the MT Housing portal. When self-assignment for you opens, click the link in your self-assignment email or go to our website and click on the Access the MT Housing portal icon. Log in with your pipeline credentials and click on the bed icon below the assignments header on the page. Then click on the bed icon below the self-assignment header. Remember, if you have a friend you are wanting to room with, you will need to be communicating with this person throughout the self-assignment process. If this person does not yet have access to self-assign, encourage them to complete the housing application process as soon as possible. You should still choose a room even if your friend does not yet have access to self-assign, as you can always go back into the system and change your assignment later. This next page has assignment options narrowed down if you have a special housing need or will be participating in a program called Scholars Academy. Take a look at the available icons, and if any of these criteria apply to you, select the appropriate button to view those available spaces. If you do not meet any of these criteria, or wish to see all available housing options, click on the button for All Other Assignment Options. Next, you will review your privacy settings. If you do not want your name, telephone number, and/or email to show to potential roommates, you will want to select Don't Show. Remember, this will prevent a roommate from being able to see information that will allow them to contact you prior to check-in. After you make your choices, click Next. The top of this next page provides two buttons. The first button gives you instructions on how to make your selection. The second button provides information about the living learning communities. Below these buttons, you will see that you have several options on how to find a room. You can search accommodations by clicking the drop-down box. This will show all available room types. You can click on the green area of campus under Search Results, then click on a building and floor. You can click Display Table to see available rooms, then click on the arrow beside Room. To select a space, click on the lock. You can also choose by clicking on Available Rooms by Living Area. Click on the tiny black arrows beside the community and building, then click on your preferred floor. The red beds have already been chosen. The green beds are available. If you click on a red bed, you will see information the student has allowed to be released, including their name, major, and roommate match information. Once you choose a room, you will click on the green bed. Once you have selected a bed space, this space is held for you for 10 minutes. This allows you time in case you clicked on the wrong bed, or you just want to continue looking at other spaces. This next screen shows that the space has been locked for you. You can click on the room number to see information about this space, including if it is a private, double, or single room, and the rate information. If you would like to choose another space, click Release Room Lock and choose again. If you would like to proceed in booking the space, click Finish at the bottom of the page. Once the space is booked, you will receive a confirmation screen. This screen confirms your assignment. Read this, review this, screenshot this. If you choose a room where someone has already been assigned, you will see their name, telephone number, and email address if they allowed this information to be released. If you do not yet have a roommate, you can go back into the MT Housing portal at any time and select the View My Assignment template to see if someone has picked into the same room as you. You've now self-assigned and confirmed your space. However, if you change your mind, find a new roommate, or want to check back for one of those elusive single, private, or apartment spaces, you can log back into the MT Housing portal to change your space so long as the self-assignment system is open. Check your MTSU email address or our website at www.mtsu.edu/housing for updates on when self-assignment is set to close. If you have additional questions regarding the self-assignment process, please call us at 615-898-2971 or email us at housing@mtsu.edu.